Good morning, students. Children, natural disaster can strike anywhere, anytime. It causes damage to the life and property. It can happen that many people may die due to this disaster. Some of the disasters due to advanced technology can be, you can do some planning and rescue people, but some others are still unpredictable, like earthquake. So children, we have studied about two disasters, that are earthquake and drought. Earthquake, as we know, that the violent shaking of the earth's surface. As we discussed that deep inside the earth, that is the core of the earth, we have different this molten lava and the plates which is in the crust of the earth. Beneath these plates we have the molten lava which is very, very hot. As we discussed that these rocks and plates, they move, they keep on shaking and adjusting themselves. But sometimes it happens that they release a huge amount of energy which causes the seismic wave to come to the surface of the earth, and then there is earthquake. Earthquake, as we discussed that till now date we have not been able to predict or understand beforehand. So it can be only measured when it is there, when it occurs, and it is measured in the Richter scale, which was invented by Charles Richter. Children, it is measured in the scale of 1 to 10. The higher the intensity of earthquake, the more it causes damage. There are some earthquake prone zones all over the world. As we discussed that in India, Himalayan region is the most earthquake prone zone. Children, earthquake measuring instrument is there where we can feel that when the earthquake is happening, that is called seismograph. And the people who study, the scientists who study about earthquake are called seismologists. Next we studied about droughts. Droughts are nothing but dry condition when there is not enough rainfall or no rainfall for years. When there is no rainfall or very, very little rainfall, then there is scarcity of water, drinking water, water for irrigation, and this leads to the shortage of food crop, which is called famine. Drought is related to maybe hot, dry winds or high temperature resulting in evaporation of water bodies. Children, these natural disaster for drought, what we can do is that we can save water, that is water harvesting system like rainwater harvesting system or different irrigation system like storing water in the reservoirs in the form of dams can be done. Some drought resistant crops like maize or gum can be grown to avoid the land becoming barren. Okay, so in this way we can stop or save ourselves from going to a drought condition. Earthquakes, whenever there is an earthquake, don't panicky, don't be afraid, don't be scared. If it is possible, go in an open space where there is no building or electrical wires or tall trees. If you are not able to come out of the building, stay under some heavy table or maybe under the bed to protect yourself. Don't take the lift to come down from a high-rise building. Use a staircase. All the electric connections should be put off immediately. Okay. Other than that, nowadays different earthquake resistant building materials are used in different parts of the world to avoid more damage. Okay. So in this way, natural disasters, they cause loss of life and damage to the property, structure shatter, building shake, roads crack, and communication fails during earthquake, no electricity, no water, no communication. Major disaster. Drought is caused by dry condition. When it is dry, very hot, then less of rainfall, and this causes this drought. In drought affected areas, people face often famine, that is the shortage of food crop. So these are the two natural disasters that we have done this week. Thank you, children.